Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a movie you watched recently. You should say when and where you watched it, who you watched it with, what it was about, and explain why you watched this movie. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. There are various forms of entertainment including music, television, theatre, and cinema, which form a major part of the recreation sector, and I have always had a keen interest in watching different movies. And today, I would like to talk about a film named 3-2, which I watched recently. So, recreation means entertainment, and keen means to have a strong or a great interest in something. Moreover, I saw this movie with my friends a couple of weeks back on the occasion of my best friend's birthday at a nearby multiplex theater located in a newly opened mall in the heart of my city. Heart of the city means the center of the city. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, it featured a horror comedy story based on how a headless monster kidnapped the women of a small town called Chanderi. So featured means showcased. Headless means without a head. Additionally, the thrilling plot revolves around the lead actor played by Rajkumar Rao, who along with few friends took the responsibility of rescuing the women of the town by devising a plan to confront the ghost without the head, and the movie keeps the audience engaged till the last minute. So thrilling means exciting. Plot here means storyline. Revolves around means involves. Rescuing means protecting or saving. Devising means to make. Confront means to deal with. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, I watched this film as the earlier version of this movie was also quite entertaining, and hence I had high hopes from the sequel as well and was waiting for its release from a long time. So sequel means a story which is in continuation with the previous one. So since this is part 2 of the same movie, that means that there was a previous or a part 1 of this movie as well. So this part which has released now is known as the sequel. Finally, my best friend loves horror movies, and so we all wanted to indulge in something that would make her feel happy on a special day, and so that we could cherish the sweet times spent together. So indulge means to involve. Cherish means to remember for a long time. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.